And this video will show you how to deploy Lovable AI project on Vercel. First of all, you need to open Lovable AI, go to your project, choose the project you want to deploy on Vercel. For example, I will choose this quiz. Then you need to click this button in the top left corner and go to your project settings. Then go to Git, choose GitHub, and connect your project to your GitHub account. So once you will connect your project to GitHub, then you can open the Vercel, go to your account, click on Add New Project, and you need to continue with GitHub. After that, you need to choose your Lovable AI project. In this case, I think it's this one. Click on Import, click Deploy. You need to wait a few seconds. And as you can see, my project is deployed on Vercel. This is the URL. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.